The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty brings you this brand new 3-bedroom, 2-bath, low-maintenance ranch located on a beautiful wooded lot adjacent to the Twin Lakes Golf Course in Mountain Home, Arkansas. With metal roof and siding and luxury vinyl flooring throughout, this home is so easy to maintain, and the peaceful lot at the end of a cul-de-sac is as private as it is convenient. Let's join Heather Hendricks and take a closer look.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And today we are at beautiful 354 Garden Court here in Mountain Home, and we are in the backyard right now overlooking hole 3 at Twin Lakes Golf Course. And you are not on the golf course or in the subdivision, but you are very close. And we're at the end of a cul-de-sac, so you just have a couple of homes around you. And this is a new construction metal sided building with metal roofing. It has 3-bedroom, 2-bath, granite countertops, beautiful cabinets, and a nice size 1-car garage.
We need to go see it.
Yes, we do. And I love how peaceful it is out here with all of the trees. And they didn't clear all of them, so makes it nice and wooded.
I see the golfers over there.
Yep. Hey, John.
Hey, Heather.
You beat me in here.
I did.
Well, you've already taken a peek at this nice hallway with luxury vinyl flooring.
I love that luxury vinyl flooring.
I do too.
That is beautiful. It's so easy to take care of.
And it is all throughout the home, so very well taken care of. And check out this kitchen. I love it. It's very nice.
Amazing, but look at this. Let me just take a little walk around here.
Yep, you are in an extra large living room area. And we were talking about earlier how we love the light fixtures, and you'll notice the ceiling fan. You were saying it sparkles earlier.
Yes, it does.
And while we're in here, we'll take a look at the little pantry here. Look at these drawers.
That's sweet.
Very nice and convenient.
Yes. Look at the cabinet, the drawers.
Yeah. And the drawers are soft to close, so you can't be mad when you're slamming the drawers.
All right. And there's that sparkle again.
Yeah. I love the purple in it.
Oh man, this is so beautiful.
And you have a...
So convenient.
It is. This beautiful island here with the granite on it too, and you can put some bar stools in there.
Well, Heather, do the appliances go with it? Because I don't see them. Are they missing?
Even better, the owner is offering an appliance credit, so you get to pick out your own dishwasher, your own refrigerator, and range, oven, and microwave. John, I mean, look how big this room is.
Yeah, that is huge.
It is. I like that they put multiple outlets around, so no matter where you are, you can plug in your devices.
That's a benefit of buying new construction.
That's
it meets
right.
all the codes.
It does.
I just can't get over how much room there is in here.
It's very nice. You could even probably fit a nice sized table in here somewhere, so you can make it your living, kitchen, and dining combo.
Yep, no doubt about it.
Well, John, just right off of the kitchen is the laundry room area.
Oh, look at that. This is big for a laundry room.
And you could use that appliance credit to buy your washer and dryer if you wanted to.
All right. There's the hot water heater with the surge tank. I mean, everything's new code. Look at how that's all done. It's all according to the modern national codes.
That's right. And you have your drip pan already installed.
Yeah.
And this is the second guest bedroom. And it's a nice size. This would be a great size bedroom or an office or playroom. And you have this extra large closet.
Oh, I guess it's are. That's right. I was just noticing these windows, Heather. They are vinyl, and they're the tilt-out kind, so you're easy to clean them.
That's right.
Wow.
And the next room is your guest bathroom. Granite countertops in there.
Wow, that is sweet.
Nice and bright. They did a lot of recessed lighting in here. And your second guest bedroom, which is nice size. I mean, this could almost be a primary bedroom. You have another nice sized closet. And once again, the ceiling fan matches. John, let's go on down to the primary bedroom. So it is kind of like a split bedroom plan. And this may be the size of the living room.
It's huge.
It is. I like that you have 2 windows in here, lets in a lot of natural light, and you have the recessed lighting. And you have your own private bathroom. Love these granite countertops. Nice size counter space.
Yeah, lots of storage there too.
And your
that's
step-in
nice.
shower.
Plenty of room in there.
Oh,
Wow.
for sure. You have a little seat right there. And walk-in closet.
Way walking.
It is, yes.
Look out, Heather, I'm coming in here. This is big.
It is.
Whoa, what?
And we'll go right across to the 1-car garage. You have your garage door opener, and you also have a window in here.
This is a nice garage.
You could even, they have outlets up high, so if you were needing to put a freezer in here or work in here, you could definitely do that.
What I like is how convenient it is to unload the groceries and go right into the house.
Yes. Now, John, let's go back into the living room area and check out the patio.
Ooh, super. Hey, Heather.
Hey, you've already been checking out the golfers out here,
Well, I
haven't you?
just wanted to see what's going on there at the golf course.
Yes, so you have this nice covered patio, and we've seen there's a couple of people out that way golfing right now.
Wow. Say, Heather, is the straw staying?
It is, yes. So they're in the process of getting this all, you know, getting the grass seed out and everything. So this is new construction, so
that'll all be a
Yep.
beautiful lawn that'll match the beautiful golf course over there.
That's right,
It's
yes.
just right over there, isn't it?
And you can see the pond in the background.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
And you are very close to Walmart, to groceries, to the schools, to businesses and restaurants, but the drive out here seems like you're going out of town a little bit.
Well, I can hear the golfers off in the distance, but otherwise it's silent here.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Well, we started over by the golf course, and I guess that's the primary feature of this home.
That's right. You're not associated with the golf course, so you have, you know, no HOA fees with them or anything, but you are very convenient to go over there and play anytime.
Wow. Now, what golf course is that?
This is Twin Lakes Golf Course.
All right. Okay.
All right, to find out more information about this beautiful new construction property, you need to go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
If you'd like to know more about this beautiful property or to schedule a showing, contact the Ozarks team at enjoytheozarks.com.